to this special video where I'm going to review real YouTube channels from our ongoing 30 days YouTube growth challenge that we started. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest practical tips to help you grow your channel, to help you improve your content strategy, to help you optimize your branding, optimize your content, and connect more with your audience. So whether you are just starting out on YouTube or you just want to up your game, this video is for you. And if you want me to review your channel, please let me know in the comment section of this video. So if all this interests you, please give this video a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, YouTube growth tips, and making money on the internet. So based on our 30 days YouTube growth challenge that is ongoing currently on Telegram, I asked people that are participating to drop their channel link so that I can come review them. And the first 3 persons that drop is this T-Bronze Epic Content TV, Amara Naji, and RMB Empire. So I just picked the first 3. So I'm going to be reviewing with you guys live right here. So here is how it goes. So the first thing that will off me from your channel is you did not have a channel banner that is beautiful, that is catchy. Why I say so is that the moment somebody comes to your channel, you should be able to know what your channel is all about without even watching any of your videos. So here is my own channel banner. Anybody that come now, will know that it is all about making money on the internet, YouTube growth tips, entrepreneurship, and sometimes crypto. That is one. Then the second thing I want to also talk about is you do not have a welcoming video. So on your home page, if you have a welcome video, anybody that just come, the first thing that will start playing is your welcoming video, and you can pick any of your favorite video. It doesn't have to be welcoming video. So let me show you what it means. Like if you just come to my YouTube channel and come to the home page, automatically the video will start playing. So here is how it is. You see the video, so I'll just post it right here. So that is what it means. So you need to make sure that you have a welcoming video, that anybody that is just coming to your channel, the video will be there. It could be any of your existing video. You can create just video telling them who you are and all that. That's the first thing that I want you to work on your channel. But before I go further, I want to commend your effort. Like this lady, when we started, she cannot even film video. She said that for years she has always been wanting to start creating content, but she couldn't. But the moment she started the challenge right now, right here, see her 7 videos, 10 subscribers, and I'm just so proud of you. And if you are watching me and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, you can just go straight. If you come here on my channel, click on playlist, you are going to see the playlist of all the videos that I've made on how you can start your YouTube channel, how you can film video, how you can edit video. You can also join the challenge, right? If you just click right here, see the challenge video, it will show you. See the YouTube growth start here. If you click here, it's going to show you all the videos, over 20 videos that you need to grow. But as well, you can also join the challenge. Is on Telegram, where whenever you create your video, you can post it there so that we can grow. All this is just my own way of giving back to the community, because I know how lonely it can be on the street of YouTube, right? So the second thing I want us to review is your video, right? So right here, I will just click videos. When I click videos, I'm going to see your videos. Let's work on, let me just click this first one. How to make money, how to make $100 and all that, which is beautiful. So let's see what is wrong with your video, right? Let me just post it. So here you will see Vidiq is going to tell me everything that is happening. So if you don't have Vidiq, please go install Vidiq either on your desktop, or even you can use Chrome extension on your mobile using desktop site and do that, so that you'll be able to view your channel this way. Vidiq or TubeBuddy is going to help you, and like this one that I'm using currently is even a free version. At least you will be limited, but you can get some of the basic things that can help you started. So right here, this video you see right here, you can see your SEO ranking is just 10. Like some of my videos is ranking 80, 50, 90. So this 10 is too poor. And reason is because, let me say, check your description. Your description doesn't have enough words, right? You need to work on your description. And then secondly, that means what is your description and what you are saying, and what is the title, and the tags that you added is not rhyming. That is why. Secondly, that is to tell you that 0/20 suggested. Like, even when YouTube suggested your video, nobody click on it. Why? If you come right here, you will see high resolution X. This X means you do, the thumbnail doesn't have a good, it's not a good thumbnail. Secondly, that you did not pin comments. That means as people click your video, and or you drop a comment, you did not pin it. So whenever you drop a comment like this, click on the three dots and click on pin, so that your comment will be up. Anybody that's watching will first of all see your comment before any other comment. That is what that means. The third one right here is comment hearted. So that means as you drop your comment, or anybody drop comment, you do not come and love it or like it and other things. So you need to do that. All this information is very important. This is why most of you are not getting views on YouTube. If you have not liking this video, please like it, or drop me a beautiful comment. And then the next thing is info card. The info card is this, how the info card works. So let me just go to my channel and show you what it is. So I will just click on this pencil icon or pen icon to open, so that I can practically show you what info card means. So right here, if you scroll here, you will see the info card. This info card, what it means is that when you are talking in your video, right, when creating your video, that you should be recommending your video, order of your video in that video. So sometimes you don't have to show the thumbnail, you can just show something like this that is showing. So that is info card. You can just click, and then before, as you are uploading the video, you should know the particular time. So let's say maybe like around 5 minutes, you can just click here, or you can even come here and type the exact time, so that you now click on the info card. When you click on this pen icon, it will open up, and you select the particular video and you save it. So it's just that simple. But I don't want to make changes already, so I will just discard these changes, right? And then you save in your own case. Then another thing that is point out is your end screen. So you do not add end screen in your video. So what you need to do is you can also click here and add the end screen to your video. Is very important. So to add the end screen, you just come here, select if you want them to subscribe, or you want to add a particular playlist. Like if I do video about Purple Life, I will add a playlist of Purple Life. I will add this subscribe, meaning at the end of my video, if anybody click on the subscribe, can subscribe, the person can click these 13 ways to make money to go watch. The person can click here to watch the playlist. Like this video currently that I'm filming, you will see that at the end I will put the playlist of YouTube, and any video I mention like this, I'm going to add a info card to it. So I'll just discard these changes. I'm trying to let this video not to be your thumbnail. There are no thumbnail. So please work on your thumbnail. Thumbnail. Please work on your thumbnail. Very important. Use this thumbnail strategy. Add 2-3 thumbnail to your video. So let me just click this one. Her channel is very, very motivating. Yes, so you can go in the description of this video. I'm going to drop all the channels that I'm reviewing. Please go show them support. If you are a new YouTuber, comment new YouTuber here. Let's connect. We need to support each other. So yes, let me see what's happening. Let me first of all click here. Okay, I even come and wallahi, this is the life I want to live. I even drop a comment in this particular video. I love the video so much. Like, I love it when people just live their life without paying attention to so many other things. So it's just a natural video. So Amara, what me I will advise you is, you are not optimizing your video very well. I don't want to keep repeating myself in this particular video. So go work on your thumbnail, work on your description, work on your tags, and God bless you. Yeah, God bless you. So let's see what's happening right here on her video. You can see SEO is better, 20%. Suggested is only 1, right? No comment pin, no comment hearted, no info card, no liked on Facebook, no chapters added, no end screen. It's only a caption that is added. Caption and the thumbnail, yes, is high resolution. So yeah, I give you a plus for that. So I don't I might have done a lot of things right. So it's just your optimization. You need to optimize your video properly. The next person, and she has a beautiful, wow, she has a very beautiful and catchy banner. But why would you share your channel without you posting any video for, like, who does that? Please, like, see, oh my god, beautiful picture, beautiful background. These are the kind of people that want to be perfect in everything, and end up just delaying, when people that are far lesser will now start making a lot, and you'll be wondering why. This is why. Please don't wait till you are perfect. Go start posting video right now. Post video. So my advice to everyone generally, as you are watching me right now, you should know that consistency beats talent. No matter how talented you are, if you are not consistent, you cannot see the result. And you have to punch professionalism at the face if you want to grow on YouTube. You have to kill procrastination if you want to grow on YouTube. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be reviewing more video. I'm going live by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. I don't know when you are watching this video, but at the same time, all the live streaming that I'm doing, that I'm answering all your frequently asked questions, if you come to my channel and click on the playlist, I have gathered all the playlists to all the live streams, so you can come watch, or you can check me up around that time. So thank you so much. The video is lengthy, I know, but I believe it is helpful. If you want me to be creating this type of content, also let me know in the comment section. Feel free to join the Telegram group. Whenever you join, just check the pin message so that you know where you are at, where we are at, and the link to all the other previous posts will be in the pin message. So hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.